Hello, Tim.
Hello.
Hi.
So, do you know what we're gonna be talking about today?
You know.
Yes, you know, because it's a scripted content. It's about COVID-19. Now, we have been hearing about this COVID-19 all the time because we are in quarantine because of this damn pandemic hasn't been solved yet. So, here's what I found, yeah? It's a research stating that male, so most of us is male, right? Male has a higher chance to die because of coronavirus infection. Now, this research that I found, well, take it with a grain of salt. The research about around COVID-19 has not been completely finished because if it already finished, the quarantine should be stopped, the vaccine should be out, and we can enjoy our everyday life. And I should not be depressed about staying home all the time. But it is what it is. So here's what I found, yeah. COVID-19 has infected around 2 million people and around 154 freaking thousand people have died. This is what Chinese research say about that. 1.7% death rate for women, but for male it's 2.8%, while at the same time the infection rate between the two gender are the same. Now, do you have any idea or do you know why this might happen? Do you have any thought, Pram?
Yeah, I mean it's a huge difference. Obviously, it's almost twice. It's not twice, but it's significant to be honest. Yeah.
Well, do you know any article or research stating about it?
Here's what I found. I found that from Kiko Iwasaki, he said that male are not as obedient to the government to stop this corona. So when the government asks them to wash their hands with soap, they disobey them. And this will lead to advanced stages
Of the infection.
Yes. It leads to death.
Okay. So basically, what the research is saying, I'm not saying that you say this because some males think they are sick and they don't need to wash their hands to fend off the virus, and then they got the virus and it's already too late and they die because of this. Okay, so that's just stupid, and please wash your hand. Okay, so well, that explain why, but I actually found out another reason for that. I found this a research conducted in Iowa, University of Iowa, stating that estrogen has a role in immune responses toward viral infection. Do you know what estrogen is?
I think estrogen is the hormone that's used for intercourse.
Okay, alright. That's not what I'm aiming to, but okay, yeah, but we are not gonna be talking about intercourse. We are gonna be talking about COVID-19 infection. Okay, that's true, but what the research found is that estrogen help to increase antiviral responses in the immune cells, while, as you well know, estrogen is mainly associated with women, while male has testosterone. The difference between estrogen and testosterone is that estrogen has a positive effect to increase the immune cells to respond toward viral infection, while testosterone does not have the power to increase the response. So, well, what I'm trying to say is that males have disadvantage compared to women solely because of the hormone. Okay, solely because of. I also found out that genes, genes in male and women play a role in this death rate being higher. Now, do you have any idea? Because I don't quite understand why genes play a role here. Can you explain?
fun fact, I found out that genes that regulate the immune systems are encoded on the X chromosomes. So, does any of you guys know which gender have two chromosomes?
Is it female XX? Yeah, female has two XX and male has XY1.
Yeah, true. So, because of that, there's a possibility that some of the genes that are involved in the immune responses are more active in women compared to men.
Ah, so having more X chromosome is better.
Yeah, true, true.
Okay. So genes, hormone, and bad habits. I also found out this ACE2 receptors, if I'm not mistaken, and smoking habit. Do you have any idea what that means?
Most of the people on this earth smokes, and according to World Health Organizations, globally there are about 40% of men who smoke as compared with nearly 9% of women. And also, I found that some of the studies said that smoking can induce an increase of ACE2 receptors in an individual. That's what you said earlier, right? The ACE2 receptors. So these ACE2 receptors, it provides more attachment zones for the viruses. Or men might be more susceptible to corona. And smoking habits among men is more common compared to women.
Oh, okay. So smoking causes the receptor to be produced more, and it translates to the virus attaching better to the smoker.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so smoking and not washing hands. Okay, right, okay. Here's the interesting thing, yeah. I found something about complication. Do you know what complication is correlated to corona? Vanessa, you might know about this.
According to Karen Rabin reports, um, due to the complications such as high blood pressures, type 2 diabetes, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, have a higher rate in Chinese men than women. This predisposition disease can increase the chance of death in males due to the complication. A research conducted by Klein has revealed that men have lower innate antiviral response. So you guys know that antiviral immune response, innate antiviral response is the first line of defense against the pathogen, right? So the disease, including hepatitis C and HIV, is against by the innate antiviral immune response. But for the COVID-19, it's not has been studied yet. On the other hand, women have a stronger immune response than men. So mostly the autoimmune disease are common in women.
Okay, so immune. Yeah, okay, I get it now. Okay, but it's a lot to take in. So, Adrian, can you sum it up for the viewers at home?
So from all of our discussion today, I can conclude that differences in gender may affect the chances of dying because this coronavirus. So from this discussion, I can conclude that differences in gender may affect the chances of dying because of this coronavirus. Differences in hormone, lifestyle, immune response, sex chromosome, diseases that we have before, and smoking habits can make men more likely die from COVID-19. The percentage is twice bigger from the woman. So from this video, we hope we can raise awareness to and educate people who may misguided by the spreading of fake news among the society. Through this video, we can protect our loved ones by avoiding some factors such as unhealthy lifestyle and smoking habits that may make us more vulnerable from this virus. Although women are said to be tougher because of the immune response, hormone, and sex chromosome, but they can still be infected and infect other people as well.
Okay, that's well said. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'm your host, Toto, and Adrian here, Kenuk here, Vanessa, and our producer, Zeus Lim, Pramuji Santosa. Hope you are
Oh,
safe at home. Wash your goddamn hands, and please stop smoking or you got a corona case. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Please comment down below any tips you want to share or anything you want to ask, put down in the comments below. Thank you guys. Bye.